I teach history. European history is my specialty, but I'm also teaching U.S. history as well. I've been teaching probably around 10 years now. Let's see, I moved to Poland 2005 and I was teaching full-time there English as a second language for Polish teachers. So since 2005 to now 2016, so 11 years. I don't think there's many teachers out there that can bring the same energy that I bring to the classroom. I'm usually dancing around quite a bit, doing all kinds of hand gestures. I like to draw on the board. I like to tell stories, and I think the stories are good. Some people might not like them. They do get kind of weird. I told a story recently about Franz Ferdinand, and it had his wife getting shot. She was pregnant, and baby brains going all over his face, and baby eyeball poking out. But I don't know if that really happened. But I told a story, and I don't think anybody's gonna forget it.
I would have to say the work ethic that everyone puts in. Everyone is not just sitting in the class being lazy or whatsoever, like they always are. Because the way he teaches his class, he makes us do all types of junk. Like, okay, say for instance, we'll get up and do some skits of a war scene that he wanted to make an example of, go over for class.
Well, with Dr. Adams, he's a more energetic teacher. Most teachers with lectures, they just sit up there, write stuff on the board and talk. But with Dr. Adams, he actually tries to get you involved. He makes little jokes just to keep you awake during class. And that's what I like about his class, and that's why I'm always able to stay awake and stay focused in his class.
Well, two semesters ago, I had to write a paper on basically leadership in the public forum, and I had to find some type of organization to follow and follow that leader and see exactly the type of leadership style that this person portrayed. Well, I picked something called Kitten Fest, which Kitten Fest is it's like a rock festival. It only happened once here in Savannah last year. Hopefully it happens again, but I don't think it's going to happen again. But it was right across the bridge, and there was about 50 bands. And the drummer in my band actually was friends with the organizer. And so followed her around, asked her a bunch of questions, got some video of her, and then I wrote my paper on Kitten Fest. Harmless, right? You would think. So I get in front of my class, and here I am, and I'm like, okay, I covered Kitten Fest. So I'm telling people how to get there. And it's kind of hard. It's across the bridge, right? So it's across the bridge, and you have to take a right. Well, where do you take a right at? You take a right on your left is what when you cross the bridge? Temptations, right? So Temptations is a strip club. So I was like, yeah, to get to Kitten Fest, you have to take a left or right there with Temptations on your left. Some people didn't get past that. They actually only heard Kitten Fest strippers. And so it didn't matter what I talked about. People were laughing, thinking that I'm talking about a festival that involves a whole bunch of strippers. Yeah, I'm a lead singer in a band. Yeah, I've got a band named Super Band. Yeah, Super Band. We're a rock band, pretty hard rock. Play at the Wormhole and stuff. So I do that, and also I do other cool things too, like camping and building sculptures. Juggling, like I said. Got a new house I've been building. Racing cars. That kind of thing. Just simple, everyday things. Anyway, this Apollonia is not going to blow up. Thank you. We love you. Okay, bye-bye.